Right from India's Next Top Model to India's Got Talent, this dazzling diva of Bollywood is super busy, but she's also entering into a new venture. That's the Diva Yoga. I'm talking about Malaika Arora. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you. Thank
Rightly
you.
said.
Thank you so much. I think that feels really good actually, and I'm really glad. I think I just feel today's women are able to juggle so much, and it feels wonderful that I have these opportunities where I can literally realize all my dreams that I've always wanted to do, and I think this is one of my biggest dreams, and I'm really glad that I can.
Since we're talking about yoga, you've been practicing yoga for a long time. You said that you started it once you had an injury. So, how has yoga changed your life? What is the importance of yoga in your life?
Oh, it has. It has made a huge difference. I think, um, you know, firstly, like we all know, yoga is a lifestyle. It's not something that you have to just go to you go to a gym and push weight. It's not that. Okay, today I'll push 10 kilos, tomorrow 120 kilos, 30. It's not like that. I mean, it's a lifestyle change that you have to make. You have to literally start learning to breathe. It is mind and body, and I'm telling you, it's unbelievable. I think we've all reached a phase in our lives where itna sara stress rehta hai. There's so much going on in our life, and I think yoga really makes a huge difference.
What, according to you, is the best time to do yoga?
I am a morning person in terms of when it comes to all of this. So I do everything in the morning. But the good thing about yoga is you can do it any time of the day. So you feel morning, afternoon, night. We have our last batch over here is a 9 o'clock batch, and I think that batch, the 8 to 9 batch, is probably the most frequented batch because people finish work at that time and then they come for class. So whatever works for you.
Malaika, apart from this, you're also busy with India's Got Talent, India's Next Top Model. You're busy fishing talents all over the nation.
It's fun.
It's fun and how?
It's a lot of fun, I think, and both the shows are so completely different. India's Next Top Model is a modeling show, but uh, we are looking at finding women not just a face. This time, that is our whole tagline: not just a face. We want to make sure we want to find women who embody the entire the entire way of looking at women, which is not just a face, but as well as a woman who knows what she wants, who's got talents, and can actually come out there and show us. So we've had a really amazing lot of.
I've taken it one top notch.
We have taken it like many notches higher this time. We've really pushed the envelope. The girls they were so scared. They were so worried whether they could or couldn't. But we said, you know what? If we don't challenge you, you'll never be able to do all of it. And they really went for the challenges. So I'm really glad. And then I have India's Got Talent, which is a completely different show. मतलब इतना talent होता है उस show पर. The amount of talent we see on that show, I don't think any show on Indian television portrays talent of such versatility and diversity. That's amazing, and I have a great time. I enjoy myself.
I cannot resist asking you about, talking about so many talents. Your mom has this cooking talent. We see her Instagram filled. When are we seeing you launching a personal kitchen or something?
Soon, very soon. Now that you're saying it, I think that is our next step. I always said there are three things that I've always loved, which is 3Fs, literally: fashion, fitness, and food. My life mantra is these three, literally. I have already ventured into fashion, now into fitness, bacha food. So yes, that is our next step.
The best of.
The best one, yes.
Lastly, we've talking about these women empowerment, a lot of things. You've been vocal about the Me Too thing, etc. But how far do you think that this is going to go?
Well, I just hope it's not just a phase, and I hope this noise doesn't die down without without any action. It shouldn't just be a sound with no action, like I said. And I hope the government steps in. I hope concerned people step in and make sure that the voices are heard and something is done about it. And I think, like I said, I would hate to see a movement like this just die down without a cause. So
Lastly, I would like you to, put some light on this thing that sexual harassment is not only physical, but the verbal.
I say that I've always said that it's not just physical, it's mental, it's emotional, and any kind of violation in any which way, whether it's verbal, whether it's physical, whether it's mental, whether it's emotional, is violation. And I think if in any way as a woman, if you feel violated in any way, you should speak up and talk about it.
Well, that's wonderful thought, and thank you so much for talking to us. Lastly, just on a single thing, it's your birthday coming up, so we just want a small.
You want me to wish myself? I want you to wish me.
Tell
Tell me.
Just ask you two questions about his birthday. feel like advanced? So like your birthday is around the corner. How do you feel at 40?
40 plus. I will be 43. To be very clear. It's just a number, but I don't shy away from it. I've never hidden it. There's no big deal. This is my 43rd birthday, and I am a very proud 43-year-old woman. I feel great. I feel amazing. So, like you said, age is just a number. Birthdays are always special because it's amazing to see how many people make you feel special on that day. And now earlier to bas friends and family hote the, but now with social media presence, we have a new sort of a family, which is our social media family, and they also make you feel so special. So I love it. One gift I would like to give myself this birthday. I don't. Well, this is a dream. This has been a dream come true, and I think it's come out at the perfect time, just around my birthday. I couldn't have asked for more. But now I would ask, the best gift would be all you wonderful women out there. Please come to the Diva Yoga Studio and experience it for yourself. It's a wonderful studio for women, and I'm sure you will love it. Just the way I have put in a lot of love into it, you will love it as well. Hi, this is Malaika Arora, and you're watching me on lokmatnews.in.